Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting on your Motorola ThinkPhone 25. If Bluetooth is not connecting on your Motorola ThinkPhone 25, here is how to fix it quickly. So step 1, open up your settings, connected device, connection preferences, and here Bluetooth. So just toggle Bluetooth off and then toggle it back on. Sometimes a quick reset is all it takes to refresh the connections, but not always. So the second thing, if it doesn't help, just unpair and repair the device. I'll show you on these AirPods. So currently I'm connected. Just click forget device. And then see all. I'm in pairs device, and that's it. If that didn't help, you may consider to restart both your devices, your phone and the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect. Sometimes that can clear your connection issues. If that didn't help, the last step you'll need to do is system update. So you need to check up for updates. Got it. And just download the new update. After following the steps, your Bluetooth should connect normally again. So thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel.